I'm Tanya Abshawn, and I'm the chair of the Wales Association of Sacres, and we're here today in Wrexham at the university, Wrexham University, and we have gathered together practitioners and people interested in religion, values and ethics from all across Wales to be here for this really special conference. The conference is about supporting religion, values and ethics in the curriculum for Wales, and it's about reconnecting with the original vision. We've been working with the curriculum for Wales from its inception, and we've now reached the stage in our curriculum rollout where we're ready to start sharing some really quite amazing curriculum practice that's going on in religion, values and ethics. So it's a very exciting time for us. It's a good time to gather people together from across Wales to learn about what's happening elsewhere, and also to help share and contribute to that. Today we've got a really wide range of keynote speakers. We've got a contribution by the Cabinet Secretary. We've also got Professor Graham Donaldson here. We've got the Right Reverend Mary Stallard, who is the bishop responsible in the church in Wales for education. So we've got some amazing keynote speakers. We've got workshops looking at religion, values and ethics and science. We've got workshops looking at religious tolerance and peace within a secondary context. We're looking at GCSE and A-level and further study in religion, values and ethics, pluralism, and also philosophy for children in religion, values and ethics. So it's a really rich programme, and as far as I can see, people are really engaging and enjoying the day, which is what it's all about.
Yeah, it's been brilliant. It's really good to network and see so many colleagues share our experiences. Great to hear from Professor Donaldson as well. Some great guest speakers. Really looking forward to the rest of the day.
Very engaging. I've learnt so much about RVE, and yeah, I just thoroughly enjoyed meeting other colleagues.
I have waited years for something like this to happen. The keynote speakers, particularly to hear Professor Donaldson actually speak, so inspiring, it really was. And the fact that this subject that we have, this evolving religion, values and ethics, at the forefront and at the heart of the curriculum, it was amazing to hear his reasoning and explanation in person. And the workshops have been really engaging, and the networking capability and collaboration opportunities are fantastic. So let's have more of them. It's been brilliant.
Today's been brilliant. Well done for WASACRE and the team to put on such a great event. The dinner's been great, the presentations have been brilliant. I've really appreciated Donaldson and his conversation around values and the impact that they have on the curriculum, and how the wider aspect of schooling and RVE can have that impact on values. And I suppose that why are we doing what we're doing, coming back to that question of what is education all about, and then fitting RVE into that, I think that's been really, really important. And then also we had a project from, I've forgotten the name of the project, I do apologise, but getting children, or it was year 9 I think, to create little videos for what they've been learning about around diversity and how the buildings in their locality have changed over time. But that's been really inspirational, and I'm looking to take that back into the local authorities that I work with. I thought it was really thought-provoking. I've really enjoyed the seminars and the keynote speakers, and also the pre-seminar, what are they called, the sessions that we did were really interesting, and it's really inspiring.
Well, the talk from the Reverend Mary Stallard was quite inspiring, and noticing how the new curriculum for Wales is being embedded in schools across Wales. I found that quite valuable. I'll take that back with me, and networking and sharing good practices with other colleagues within Wales has been an excellent opportunity to do that.
I think I've really enjoyed getting to know some of the teachers in my area and getting to real life ideas that I can take back into my classroom that will inform my planning for the future.
I think having the opportunity to get together with lots of people who value RE and RV in particular in the new curriculum, I think obviously sharing good practice, taking on board different ideas and a different way of looking at how we can develop really strong quality RVE within the school.
Well, it has been a great day, and we're really hoping people will take a lot back with them and share with their colleagues back in their own localities.